What up? My name is Danny. I'm 20 years old and I come from a small town called Sumner, Washington, about 45 minutes south of Seattle. Me, I'm a pretty outgoing guy. My job, I'm a waiter. And the reason why I'm a waiter, well, first off, I got an extraordinary personality, and second off, I get money. Why you should vote for me? Well, in high school, I was always the class clown and overachiever at the same time. So while I was causing mischief in my classes, I was also at the top of my class, the ASB vice president, and even the prom king, baby. But I'm not here to talk about the past. Right now I'm here to talk about the future and why I should be on the next season of The Real World. Well, if you're watching The Real World, you're gonna see that every time you watch that show, you're gonna be excited because you're gonna see me on TV. And every time you turn on that TV and you see that commercial saying, next time on The Real World, you're gonna see me getting into all kinds of crazy shenanigans. I mean, I'm pretty crazy and I like to do lots of crazy things. And so I'm not gonna tell you really what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna keep it all up to your imagination, because imagination is key. So you gotta vote for me every day and prove to everybody that I should be the one that is on The Real World, your next castmate, the 7th member. And remember, it will be my birthday when it's time to move into that house. So wish me a happy birthday and put me in. See you later.